Welcome to Custom Carpentry Solutions of South Florida. Check out this video showcase of recent swimwear brand renovations we completed at various malls here in South Florida.
In this project, we opened a store for Andy Swimwear.
Retail store that we renovated on Solid and Stripe was the brand.
This store was for a brand named Luli Fama. They decided to open one of their flagship stores. So then we installed a couple of displays that we put on the wall. We painted all the walls and the ceilings, updated some of the electrical. We also worked with a vinyl signage company. We built 2 modular dressing rooms in the back of the store. Brand new lighting. This was another great project that we really enjoyed.
Thanks for checking out this video. We'd love to find out how we can help you with your next renovation project. Visit our website or give us a call today.